Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum viewers. How are you all? I hope so you are all well. Today in this video I'll tell you that how can you create a cache memo in MS Word. Let's start today's video. Please open MS Word in your computer. After opening MS Word, please go to the title bar. Go to the menu bar. Click on page layout for the setting. So now click on size icon and select letter. Then click on margins and then click on narrow. After that, click on orientation and select landscape. Now click on columns, then click on 2. So after that, I will tap here. After typing this, I'll tap company name or department name. I'm typing my channel name. Now press enter. I'm typing here address. After typing address, press enter and then type mobile number. Now press enter. Now please go to insert tab, click on table, select 2 columns. In the first cell, I'll tap, and the second column I'll tap. Now I'll do some formatting in this table. Please select and now go to the home button and now go to the paragraph and click on shading button. Here I will select a color. I will select white background 1, darker 15%. I'll drag it. Now please press enter. Again go to the insert option and then click on table icon. So now I'll select 3 columns and 3 rows. 2 columns, 2 rows. So I'll tap here. After tapping, I will do some formatting here. I'll change the background of this table. Go to the home tab, go to paragraph box, click on shading icon, select any color here. I'll select this. press center. Again, please go to the next option, insert option, click on table icon and select 5 columns and 3 rows. I'll apply formatting here. Select all please. Go to the home button. I'll change the background color. I'll select this color. And now I will drag this. Select these columns, go to the layout option and then click on the merge cells. Select this, press Ctrl R and Ctrl V. I'll change the background color here. Yes. Now press enter and go to the insert option, click on table button, select 2 columns and then type here. Change the background color. I'll drag it. So now I'll delete the spacing line, and deleting for the spacing lines, select all the text and then go to the paragraph box, click on line spacing icon, click on 1.0 and again click on that and remove space after paragraph and then press Ctrl E for the central alignment. And now go to the insert option, click on shape icon and then click on line and drag. to the format option, then click on shape outline and apply any color. I'll apply dark blue. Go to the home button, click on copy and click on paste. Drag it I will do some changing in the format. I'll select these all, press Ctrl B for the bold style. I'll change the color, go to the color option, choose any color. I'll select here orange. Select this, press Ctrl B, select these all, press Ctrl B, select these and press Ctrl B. And now I'll select the company name, press Ctrl B from your keyboard, and now I will increase the font size. I'll apply 20. I will change the color of the company name. Select these all and press Ctrl B. Select this and apply the color. I'll change this color, select this and change this color. This is, again select it and this color I will select. Here you can see the Cash Memo is almost ready. So now I'll select this all, press Ctrl C for copy, then click on page layout option, then click on breaks and now click on columns. I will paste here. So again go to the insert option, click on shape, then click on line, so here you can see the line have been applied between these two. So I'll go to the shape outline and then click on dashes and apply the round dot. Here you can see round dot line is applied. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you will like my video, so I request you all please subscribe my channel. If you wanna learn MS Word beginner to advanced level, please keep visiting my channel and share my channel with others. Give me a feedback, give me a comments. Thank you so much.